guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to this week's video in our journey on Pico Island. I'm Laura.
I'm Carlos.
And we are so excited to have you guys here because today we are launching our Azores Portugal Workshop with our partner Life Wellness Azores.
We've been working on this, we've been developing this for a while now, and we have mentioned it before. But we feel that now we're ready, it's the right time to put this out there. And that's one main reason we're also here in this venue. We actually wanted to film outside, but it's definitely what we need today. So we're inside, and this is actually where we're going to be holding the seminars, the educational seminars here on Pico Island. And this beautiful place is called...
it's Aldeia de Fond. It's a beautiful boutique resort. And we picked this because the venue is just a beautiful location. And we're so excited to have you guys with us. So before we get into the workshop, guys, some of you might just be joining us for the first time. And we just wanted to explain, just a little bit about us. We've been traveling to the Azores for the last 10 years. Actually, Carlos was born here. And we bought land, we bought a house that we're in the middle of renovating. So we have a ton of experience and we've gone through lots of ups and downs.
Yeah, we spend half the time here, half time in Canada. We love both sides of the pond, but we feel that Azores has a lot to offer and we love the time we spend here. It checks a lot of the boxes, okay? So we're very happy, and I think we've already connected with other people that have done similar as we have, and they're loving it, and we know there's more out there of us. Peaceful, tranquil, nature everywhere, a very healthy area of the planet. Here you get basically what I call the best of both worlds as well. It's the ocean and the countryside. Not too many places you can get that, and that's one reason why we're so attracted to areas like this, like the Azores, and other people that are now here. We're looking for the same thing. Also, a little bit about the Azores, in case some of you have never heard of the Azores. It's a seventh region of Portugal. It's in the North Atlantic, and it's between North America and Europe, Portugal being the closest landmass. And we're just surrounded by water, and you can fly from, let's say, Toronto between 5-6 hours, from Boston 4 to 5 hours, into Lisbon a couple hours, so you're well positioned. If someone wants to spend here a lot of time and still want to get out once in a while to either Europe or to North America, it's the location couldn't be better.
Wow, I'm sorry, I just have to
That was a wave.
The waves are so high today that just sitting in this room, and the ocean it's further down, but you can see the waves crashing up.
Yeah, that's
it's
strong.
Absolutely incredible.
Strong winds. This venue is literally on the coast.
Yes, it's a beautiful location.
Yeah,
but one of the reasons why we felt we needed to do this workshop was because over the years that we've been doing this channel, we've had a lot of people asking us questions, making comments, dreaming of moving here to the Azores.
We've been doing this channel for about 2 years. Obviously, the main reason we started doing the channel was just to promote, tourism-wise, the islands and Pico and our experiences on the island. But went way beyond that. I mean, we were surprised right off the bat. People like discovering a secret kind of thing. Some might have even known Portugal as a country, not so much these islands. Some might have even known some of the bigger islands, like the São Miguel. It's one of the 9 islands. That's half the population is on this other island. But when they started discovering Pico and maybe Faial, St. George, the Triangle Islands, they just were just a lot of emails. That's all I could remember at the beginning. It's like, wow, this is incredible. And then some of those people wind up, we exchange. I kind of put them in the right direction with contacts, things that they needed, because they were interested in retiring. At the time, some of them were right in that position of retiring or semi-retiring or just looking for a vacation home. And the timing was perfect where they said, okay, I gotta go visit. They visited it, they loved it. Now some of them bought and they're here, either spending full-time or part-time. And that was something that really surprised us. And from that is why we knew there was a need to do workshop on location, because we're not talking about 100 people, we're just talking about a very intimate, small group.
So why would you choose the Azores? Well, the Azores checks most of the boxes. It's peaceful, the cost of living is low, nature, the beauty here is incredible.
Incredible, both at sea and on land. Here you get both countryside and ocean all at once. Very difficult to go by a few minutes when you're driving without seeing the ocean. It's always there. And
also there's 9 islands you can choose from.
Yeah, you can choose from 9 islands, all different sizes. There's even one who has about 400 people. Pico has about 15,000. The size of Barbados, but Barbados is almost 300,000. So a lot of these islands have low population with a lot of protected area, which is amazing. And the biggest island is obviously San Miguel, St. Michael, and that has half the population. Is the biggest island, it's about 125,000. A lot of people think the Azores is just San Miguel, but the workshop is about the Azores. It's about all the islands. We happen to be here. This is where we have our home.
On Pico Island.
On Pico Island. But we're getting even more familiar with the Triangle Islands, Faial and St. George, and beyond. And I think people will have their own taste, will need certain things, need to be close to whatever their desires are, what suits them the best. And so you have 9 islands to choose from.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the reason why we've chosen these 3 islands to do these workshops on is because they're in close proximity to each other.
Exactly. We chose these because we're obviously, we also a bit more familiar. We have, our contacts are basically in this area, but we will gather contacts for all the islands.
Will benefit from this workshop? Well, anybody that is looking to invest in real estate, retirement, semi-retire, that are working remotely.
Someone just wants a vacation home, let's say, and spend 3 months out of the year. Perfect place. And but there's various reasons for different people starting a business. But that's the
kind of the bulk of the workshop. And we're going to have professional speakers here. We're going to have real estate agents. We're going to have notaries, lawyers, bankers, accountants, anything that you will need to learn about the process of coming here to the Azores.
Because all these different people are going to have their own reasons why they're coming, but a lot of the stuff you will need, everyone's going to need it. You're going to need certain things to do with government, to do with residency, if that suits. If you want to start a business, a lot of stuff has to do with government, numbers you need to have, why you need this number over. So there's a lot of these smaller things that are very easy to get, most of them, but you do need to do it properly from the beginning. Laura mentioned real estate or anything to do with buying a home or semi-retiring or retiring. You're going to need, a lot of people will need the same thing.
When is this workshop happening? You might be asking. We are starting the workshop May 12th until the 22nd. And we are going to start in the island of Faial. And then we will make our way over to Pico. We will be spending 3 nights in Faial and 7 nights in Pico. And while we're on Pico, we're going to take a day trip over to Sao Jorge.
Yeah, it's an amazing itinerary, and the way it's going to flow, I'm just going to give a little bit of information because you're going to find the bulk of it on the website. Basically, the morning is for education. Like, we'll also be speaking, sharing our experience, Egidio himself, and other, let's say, expats that are already here, that have already done it. They can also share their experiences, because not all stories are the same. So we figured that would be very useful to get information right from the horse's mouth, as they say. So that's the morning, and then in the afternoon you discover the island. When you're on Pico, you'll be discovering Pico. You will go over to St. George also for a whole day, just to have a few seminars there, but also get to know the island. And obviously when you're in Faial in the first 3 nights, you're going to get to know Faial, because I believe that's one of the most important things. Obviously information is important, contact's very important, everything has its place, but the key is to have that feeling of the islands. In this case, you're going to experience 3 islands, a very good taste of all the Azores. You'll get that, okay, what the Azores is all about, and then you can go further and explore the rest of the islands. But from here, you will leave with a lot of information, a lot of contacts, and a really good gut feeling of what the Azores could be for you.
Now, what's included in this workshop is the accommodations and your meals, ground transportation, and excursions.
Yeah, there'll be some excursions, and the key is we want to have fun, right, as well. We want to learn, you want to have some fun, you want to mix it all up. So everyone might, you'll have the choice of some of the activities you might want to do. There's also going to be 2 free days, which then you can do your own thing if you want. Who knows, maybe there's already some people here that are very close to making the move, and they might want to stay longer, you know, after this, because that's important. Part of it, we'll be able to set that up for you on whichever island. If you want to stay an extra week, even an extra month, we'll be able to set that up, because our people are going to be either further from doing it, they're just gathering information at the beginning. Some are close, just about to, you know, maybe, who knows, maybe you're already planning on coming to the Azores.
Some people are going to hit the ground running.
You hit the ground running. So I think the workshop could be for all of you, okay, in whatever place you're in. And I think like to be on the island, I think is one of the most important things that because I mean, there's people that come quick, you know, and then 1 day or 2 days is not enough. Whichever island you lean towards, at the end of the day, you will have to visit and spend more time. We all know that.
We have lots more information on the website, so we can direct you there. And but the key thing is, guys, you gotta book this now, because there is limited seating. So if you really want to come to this, which I think you should, book it as quickly as possible. We will be having a live stream on January 15th, just to go over more details about this workshop. And if you have any questions, this is a great platform to send them into.
And if you have questions that need to be answered even before then obviously go through the website. Everything's flowing through there, and then we'll respond. The team will respond to you. Just keep in mind that this workshop could be due diligence before making that final move. And that's how we were looking at it, because we all had to go through that moment of due diligence when you're buying or making a move. And this is what this workshop's all about. Obviously, Laura and I love the Azores. okay? And
this workshop, guys, is going to save you a lot of time and research. We have all the resources here at the workshop, and you're going to get your questions answered.
And I think the key is that we feel that we're neutral, okay? Instead of always getting information directly from sometimes the government or the websites or the consulates. I mean, there's so much mixed information, or even forums. We feel with our experience, we're passing it forward, and it's solid information. It's our story, it's other people's stories that have done it, and I think that's probably the best way. We really feel and believe that you'll be pointed in the right direction, so then you could definitely do what you need to do.
And also learn from all of our mistakes.
Yeah, you can learn from our mistakes. They're free. We'll just pass them on.
Yeah.
No, but I think that's great. And this is why we think this workshop's amazing. And I think it's definitely would be worth for you to look into it to find out more about it.
We're going to end the video here, guys. And we are very excited to meet all of you over here in the Azores. So have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.